What is culture? When you say this person is more cultured than this person, okay? What is culture? There is jungle culture. Jungle culture. What is jungle culture? It is called survival of the fittest. Simply, the more powerful one will lead the smaller one. Okay? This is called jungle. The more powerful one will harass the lower ones. In a cultured place, one who is more capable, who is more intelligent, he will make sure that other people below him are also able to survive and be happy. That is culture. If a woman is walking on the street, to protect her will be culture. To attack her is non-culture. Shudras are always interested in themselves. They are not interested in others. So to overcome this animal instinct and to culture yourself to higher and higher states, that is what civilization and progress. Now, this culturing starts with, first of all, being satisfied inside. That starts with silence. A mind which is gadbad will always create problem for others. A leader will always think about the other person first. A leader always thinks about the interest of the other person. A Vaishya thinks about his interest and the other person's interest, both. If you want to have friends, you must think about the other person first. If you want to have business transaction, you think about their interest and your interest. Then you will have business transaction. If you want to have friends, you think about the other person first. What you can do for the other person. Only a Shudra is bold. A leader is never bold because he has got so many people to go and be with. Wherever he goes, he will bring Vaibhava to the place wherever he goes. His presence itself will make that place come up. He will give something to that place. He will not go empty-handed. You have to start living this way. It is not possible to learn by reading a book on leadership. Nobody becomes an entrepreneur by reading a book on entrepreneurship. You have to have a guru. We require thousands of gurus. We require thousands of gurus of second and third category. All of you got your MSc, BSc, whatever. just to look after yourself. It is never to serve somebody else. They never taught you how to make friends in your university. They only taught you Shudra education. This is possible only by having Sangha with the Guru. It is not possible simply coming one day, listening, and then go home and do same Shudra behavior. Okay? A Vaishya is interested in everything. A leader, a Kshatriya, is much more interested. He will go and find out what he can bring from other places, not just materials. What kind of culture, what kind of training, what kind of people he can bring. A Vaishya will only trade, but a Kshatriya will go and bring people. He will bring a guru. Alexander was asked by Aristotle, when you are going, don't make this Vijay Yatra just to conquer people. You make this a Dharma Yatra. You give what is valuable to others. You bring back what is valuable that you can bring from other countries to here. When you go to India, he said, you please bring 4 things for me. One is water of Ganga. Second one, you please bring textbook of Ramayana, textbook of Mahabharata. And you please bring one Brahmagnani from India to our country. You too should become like that. Most of you are stuck up in jobs, like a Shudra stuck up in a job. You have no freedom. You are all uneducated. Only animals. You work like a donkey. You are like a donkey. Life is such a big burden. Don't work. Don't work like a donkey. You must work happily. You must not work with lot of tiresomeness. You must learn every day. Most of you are only increasing your bank account, and that bank account with inflation, it becomes less and less. You will never bring about a great change in the world. You will never increase agricultural production 10 times more. You will never do research. You will read newspaper. You will never read any scientific journals. You will never improve yourself. You spend all your time watching garbage TV serials. You are bored. Bored. Life is bored. No. So you go and switch on. You go and switch on TV. Everybody who is watching TV is a fool. You can watch TV for 5 minutes, 10 minutes. Going on, watching, eating all kinds of potato chips and going on, taking Coca-Cola and watching that. All fools do it. To brainwash all these fools, they go on putting advertisements of Coca-Cola. Don't watch TV. Don't spend more than 5 minutes to read the newspaper. Whatever very important articles are there, you just mark it and cut it out. Okay? Don't waste your time. Improve your love account rather than your bank account. Okay. Every day you must get a new friend. You must be able to reinforce the old friendship. You must get closer to the people who are already with you. You must wonder what you can do for your neighbor, what you can do for your friends, what you can do for the corporation which is employing you. then you will have no time to watch TV. Change your Sangha. Don't remain a fool and a donkey. I also know what is happening. It requires not more than 3 minutes to read the newspaper. You know all the kachada that is going on. Okay. Learn to share. Learn to share. You can use the same newspaper for 5-10 houses. You don't have to buy. So much of paper is wasted in the world. Now, we will teach you how to live a shared life, okay? Not an isolated life. You can still have the paper, but not pay so much for it. No? If you share, the cost will dramatically come down. I will teach you how with 1/100th of your cost, you can get the same benefit. You want to learn? Want to learn? Huh? There is no necessity for your car, motorcycle. All that is a waste. So much expensive. Because you have not learned how to share. Most of you women, you spend more than 6 to 8 hours in a day only cooking and washing the dish. Cooking, washing the dish. Cooking, washing the dish. What is a housewife? A dishwasher. Okay? Instead of telling, I am a dishwashing woman, you say I am a housewife. Okay? What is your main occupation? Dishwashing. All BScs, MScs are all wasted only washing dishes. Oh, you want to improve your love account or bank account? But you don't know how to increase your love account. You don't have education. Now, if you want, you start from today. Okay. Do you want this education or you want to remain only dishwashing woman? Okay. This university also costs something to set up, no? It will not come free.
ఈ జ్ఞానం కూడా ఎంతో ఖర్చుతో సాధించిందే, ఫ్రీగా ఏది రాదు.
What is the cost for engineering class per year? They charge 60,000 in Karnataka. For 1 year they charge 60,000.
సంవత్సరానికి
other than donation. You also want to learn something different, no? Better than engineering. Want to learn or not? Huh? Want to learn? Or just become dishwasher? Some people don't even have the energy to rise. They are sitting like this. They don't even want to put their hand up. They are so lazy. Either you learn or you teach. Okay? If you have already learned, you would be teaching. If you have not learned, then you will not be teaching. Okay? You must learn and teach. We require thousands of gurus to teach how to get love account. Okay? Then only the community will become great. You start from this Sunday, okay? Friday. Next Friday, you start your process. Within 1 year, you see what happens. You go through a systematic process of becoming a leader. Some sadhana is required. It will not simply happen by reading and writing. First and foremost, keep your body fantastic. Fantastic, like a king. I too was not like that. Like a king. I too was like this. Ordinary gurus simply telling, be peaceful, be this. Now, God has given me the capacity to tell you, leave your job, bring your family, join me, I will train you to be a different person. Okay. No guru will tell you, leave the job, bring your family, we will train, we will do something fantastic in the world. Don't waste your time, don't be a donkey worker. Okay. Our Gurukulam is not an ashram for people who don't want to do anything. It is for people who want to enjoy their life, who will never go to work unwillingly. You must happily go and do things in the world. Make other people rich and happy. And you become very rich and very strong, very powerful yourself. Sahana bhavatu, sahana bhunaktu, saha viryam karavavahe. This you must learn. Don't be a donkey. Okay? Old ashrams are for people who left their wife. They didn't want any trouble. They went and simply meditated, talking about everybody else. Okay? All these sannyasis, they are wasting their time, they are wasting everybody else's time. Don't leave your wife. Bring your wife. Bring your children and learn to create a beautiful world.
అందరూ అలా ఆలోచిస్తే
First thing is kama dahana. If you want to be peaceful, you have to burn all kamas. That you should learn. But that is not the end.
అది
That is only
మొదటిది.
the beginning of
అది
If you want to be very happy in life, you must have friends. You must learn how to develop Atma Sambandha. You will be able to share all of yourself with the other person. First you develop that with your wife. You are now having Sharira Sambandha. It must be Atma Sambandha. When you develop Atma Sambandha, then you will really hug your wife
మనం
like you have never hugged. Okay. That same hugging, being with each other, it must develop more and more every day. Your wife is very important. If you don't know, she becomes a burden. Otherwise, she is Lakshmi and wealth. For most of the people, this samsara is a burden. Then you pray to God, Arre, I got caught. God, please release me from this bondage. Let me be liberated. Please, God, do not give me one more birth. My whole thing is Punarjanma, I don't want. Why? This Janma is so bad. Okay.
ఈ
If this life is fantastic, then you will say, God, give me 1,000 lives. No problem. I am very, very happy. That is the way you must get. Not this ulta way. Okay. All this ulta way has made this country very, very poor. No doubt you do kamadahana, but then work very hard. Whatever you get, give it to your neighbor. This is powerful vairagya. This is the right use of vairagya. Work, give whatever you have to your neighbor. Don't be greedy. Mine. Give.
నీ
The more you give, the more you get. You will get much more. You give more, you get much more. You give more, you get much more.
ఒక విత్తనం
Learn.
వేస్తే
Learn to give. Without fear, learn to give. That is greatness. That is culture. What do you say?
అదే గొప్పతనం.
You want to put gold, diamond? Huh? Yeah. I hope you have removed your gold and diamond. Okay. Only fools wear gold and diamond. Okay. Or else you can wear a nice garland of flowers which will look very, very nice. Okay. Shakuntala only wore a garland of flowers here, a garland of flowers here and here. So beautiful to see. Your gold is so ugly to see. Okay. You want to learn or you want to be an ass wearing diamonds? Okay. You don't live very long if you are greedy. Only with vairagya and dana, giving, making everybody happy around you, that you will become very happy. Unless you find a meaning to your life, only an ass, it need not live so long. Because when this ass is not able to do so much work, it is better it dies and another new donkey will come and it will do a better job. Huh? If
అలాగే
you got
ఉండిపోదామా?
something that should not die, if you got wisdom that should not die, then you will live very long. If you don't have any wisdom, if you don't make other people happy, why you should live? Better die. Work for others, not work to make money. Okay.
నలుగురు కోసం పనిచేయండి, డబ్బులు సంపాదించడం ఒక్కటే కాదు.
I don't take any salary, you know. We don't take salary. I beg. People will give me lot of money. I work free, I get free. When I go to any place, those people say, Guruji, don't go from here. Whatever you want, we will give you. Please stay here only. We give you land. You please set up a Gurukulam. We want every one of us to be part of the Gurukulam. I got fantastic amount of jobs, fantastic amount of work. We are wondering how I can reproduce myself so that we can do 1,000 times more work. There are no lack of jobs. There is only lack of spirit. For all of you, I got lots of jobs, provided you got the spirit to offer yourself and become something great. If you leave your present job, somebody will come and take it, they will be very happy. The jobs which I am going to give you are those that nobody can do, that you have to learn to do. No competition for this job. You require some training. To live like a leader requires training. Okay? So now start the training. Don't be a donkey. Okay, we are starting. I can't have too much time here. See how much time it took to understand this. Simple, little understanding. And then for you to start doing sadhana, it will take lot more time. This Sunday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Friday night, come with your family, with your children also, and start the process of becoming a different individual. Once a month, you will come for 3 days sadhana. Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Thursday night it will start. Thursday night to Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Once a month. Within 1 year, your life will be different. Most of you will have left your job by 1 year. You will have some exercises also to do. You will start doing, and by the 1 year, you will get the strength. I don't have to be donkey. Okay. For people who are not greedy, there is plenty of opportunity. For people who are greedy, there is very few opportunity. We will take care of you, your family, your children's education, but you start learning. Younger the couple, the better. Unless you become a soldier like, you are not going to live for 200, 300 years.
మీరు ఒక
Push, push. Everywhere push, push. Ayya. What you will do? Huh? Stand up. Oh. Now, how are you feeling in your body? How is the prana flowing? Too much prana, no? Prana flowing. What do you think? Your diseases will go or not? Huh? Your diabetes will go or not? Guaranteed.
గ్యారంటీగా తగ్గుతుంది.
All chronic diseases will simply disappear in 2-3 days. It doesn't take a year also. Diabetic. Gone. Correct. No medicine is required. But
అదృశ్యమైపోతాయి.
You better check your urine sugar, and don't take the medicine. Because if you take medicine, it will affect you. Don't take any cooked food. If you feel very hungry, take some fruits. Take some specially tender coconut. Not even full coconut. Tender coconut. Not tender coconut water. Tender coconut you take. It costs less than that medicine. Medicine is costlier than this. Very simple. People have been suffering for years. All these Shudra doctors, they don't know. But they will go on telling, no, it is not curable. Better don't leave. Better take medicine. Better take medicine. Huh? Do a big campaign. Bring everybody. Don't let anybody go through heart operation, kidney operation. Send them to Gurukulam. We require Gurukulams. We don't require factories. We require Gurukulam. Gurukulam, as a Gurukulam, we have factory also. But it is first a Gurukulam, not a factory. Okay. All factories must turn into Gurukulams. Then only Sahana Bhavatu, Sahana Bhunaktu, Sahaviryam Karvavaya happen. With these exploitive factories, it will not happen. Only with a Guru, it will happen. Okay. We will become 100 times richer than any country in the world. You can come and see our Gurukulam in Bangalore. We have already converted. We can have hundreds and thousands of people come and work. No problem. Sahana Bhavatu, Sahana Bhunaktu. All of us are rich. All of us are happy. Within 5-6 years, we can take over the whole world. Sahana Bhavatu, Sahana Bhunaktu takes place. You must train yourself to become gurus,
Yes.
not as employees, okay? Donkey employees. All of you are a very great power. Unfortunately, you are stuck as a donkey. We will become 100 times richer than any country in the world. You can come and see our Gurukulam in Bangalore. We have already converted. We can have hundreds and thousands of people come and work. No problem. Sahana Bhavatu, Sahana Bhunaktu. All of us are rich. All of us are happy.